nightlife at Secor in Slovenia. This is the Night Owl Cafe. So it's not off the main road here. Seems to be kind of a busier. Well, I just saw 2 cars pull away from here. Are you here to see the place?
Yep.
Okay. This is, there's another food truck right over there. I don't know, this seems like it could work. A bunch of power out here. I'll be pulling that shit for the fucking trailer. Missing storm door here, looks like, I don't know. So, this is pretty chill.
So, hello.
Hi.
You can start taking a look around and make any questions, okay?
Alright, sure.
So it's super deposit insurance. So, like I was explaining, there's 2 different options after.
Well, before you fully go into it, let me see if I get it.
Correct.
So you said that it was life insurance, so say we don't come up with the deposit.
Sure.
Which is $1,600.
Correct.
So you could pay, like you said, $20 or $30 every month for the
Correct.
entire month, the entire duration of your lease. And that's it.
So at the end, so essentially.
This shit is hot as fuck in here.
If the warranty, because that's obviously what the security deposit is for, is to ensure, when you guys move out, if there's any damage to the property that you obviously.
I think there was, right now there's, in the last 10 minutes, 5 people looking at this place.
We would come in and do a normal inspection like we normally do, and then I think we have like 30 days to move out.
Yes, I like it.
Required to receive that inspection. And so when they receive that, if there are any damages, let's say somebody busted down your door or something like that, or like something that was totally accidental, crazy, or like or like you couldn't do damage to the wall or something like that, you would submit a claim to know for how much we spent on that and how much the job was and everything. They overview it and they can charge you. So it's essentially you're not, so it is, so you basically only just making sure they know. Exactly.
So if you're just normal here,
If there's no damage, it'll just go back to the card that you paid your deposit on. Or if you ever have to change your payment.
This could be a big pantry space here, good storage. Or a nook.
Card as soon as you guys move out, and then,
This is where we're gonna eat though.
or that's, yeah, yep, that's how that would work. That's, I think that's how they would charge you also. Yeah, that's kind of
What
like
is that for?
people, so.
Wow, Dave storage.
Right.
This is hot. Up.
And it's just a little space too. You know what I mean? Like it's not just your bedrooms.
I love that. That's a huge
Okay, here we go. This is bathroom number 1. Tiny bedroom. Plumbing. Oh, master, I guess.
Yes, correct. Get right on.
مشوار بس هو معنا 30 دقيقة.
ماشي احنا بس بدنا ندخل الليلة تصور انت
Okay. I will not be coming up here. I'm standing about 90% of the way up. This is the bathtub. Girls' room, honestly. We could ask about a bathtub in here. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Great, how are you?
Doing all right. Are you from the company? The
Yeah,
rental
I'm a
company?
leasing manager.
I'm Dave.
I'm
Clark.
Mark. Great to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Dave.
Yeah, my girlfriend Sierra made the appointment with you, but then
Okay, sounds
sent
good.
me- Yeah.
Okay.
So, lots of interest in this property.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I feel like this is something like we're gonna seriously be interested in.
Okay.
Do you have a card, like a direct line?
I do not have a direct line, unfortunately.
Okay.
Our contact information is all on our website. So if you call, it's 419-575-0064. It'll be on there. If you press 1, you'll get me, like the leasing line. And
Yeah.
if you have any questions if I don't answer, you can just leave me a message and I'll get back to
Okay.
you. Because then it'll roll over to our assistant, which is not in today, and then it'll roll over to our property manager.
Sure.
So there should be someone that answers. If not, you can just leave a message.
Natural gas in the kitchen?
I believe so. Let me take a look
Yeah.
at the stove.
Yeah, it's gas.
Yeah, yeah.
And then, security deposit is 1 month's rent?
Correct. So we have a new program that we just started using. It's called Rhino. So it's a security deposit insurance. So it's separate from renter's insurance, which is a whole other thing. But this would be, so instead of coming up with a 16 up front, essentially paying into a policy each month.
Okay.
And then we would just do a move out inspection out at
Do you guys
move out.
prefer that, or do you prefer the
It's whatever
16?
it doesn't make a difference to us because we get
You're covered either way.
correct.
Yeah,
So it doesn't
okay.
make a difference to us. So whatever, that's kind of why we like to offer it. So, because if you have that up front right now, you want to just hold on to it, put it in there and then get it at the end, and then obviously it'll come out of all your, if there's like anything damaged or anything like that. But then if you do the security deposit insurance, you pay a premium of like $10 to $25 a month maybe. And then at the end of your move out, it doesn't accrue, so it doesn't, obviously, the money's kind of not going anywhere. Essentially, it's just holding your place. And then when you move out, we'll do a move out inspection. If there's anything we need to take it out, then we would contact Rhino. We would give them our move out inspection, and then we would charge you for those damages.
Okay. Can we talk about this bathroom here?
Okay.
So I'm a large man,
Okay.
and I take baths.
Sure.
The bathtub's upstairs,
Okay.
and that's gonna be like tough for me because it's such a low ceiling.
Okay.
is there any way we could open a discussion about possibly installing a bathtub in here? Or would that be something that you guys just wouldn't want to bother with?
It depends on what the owner would like to do. So the owner has made kind of all the necessary, or all the things that they would like to put money into, obviously, before the remodel. We could always, if you submit an application and everything looks good, we could always reach out to them and say, hey, we have this approved applicant who's super interested in the property. They're wondering if you'd be able to install a bathtub, and if that would kind of waive your decision. That could maybe push him to want to do that, but chances aren't great, unfortunately.
What if we like offered to like split the cost with them or something?
I mean, that could always be an option also. You could let them know. It's kind of like, I guess it's kind of however we kind of want to approach it and everything, but I would say we probably, we would just need approval from him and see kind of what they would say.
So the approval process for the application, you're looking at FICO score?
We pull from TransUnion, so I don't know if that's
Okay.
FICO or not.
What score are you usually looking for?
We require 620. We don't work with scores below us. 560. If you have below a 620 but above a 560, we would need either previous landlord reference or cosigner.
Okay. So if I'm like 680, 690.
That's fine.
Okay.
That's perfectly fine.
All right. Cool. Well, I'm just gonna peek in the basement then.
Okay.
And your
That
name
sounds good.
again?
I'm Brooke.
Brooke. All right, Dave.
Great
So
to
nice
meet
to
you,
meet
Dave.
you. Yeah.
Of course.
Well, it's a fucking basement. Big box. Workshop. This is where I put my tools. This is great. Okay. More people here to see this shit. Holy fuck. Looks like something coming in here, water or something. A bar. That's fancy. A sink. Some dogs. Honestly, I could see this being my gaming area. Whatever this is. It's just understairs storage. Don't know what that is. There's no light here. Hey, how are you? Hi. Thank you. All right, Brooke.